Hello friends, it's CryptoCap. In this video I'll tell you how to withdraw any cryptocurrency from the Binance exchange to a bank card without any commission and KYC procedures. If this information is useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Step 1. We need to convert our cryptocurrency into a token called BNB, the official Binance token. I'll show this using an example of 105 USDT. In order to exchange, we go to the Markets menu. Find the BNB token, then select the conversion from USDT to BNB. Click Buy, view the conversion result, and convert. We are converting to BNB token due to the low transaction fee. Then we go back to Assets and see that we've lost about 30 cents due to the conversion fee. There is no need to worry about this as we'll return these funds at a favorable exchange rate. Step 2. We need to withdraw our BNB to the wallet. I use Trust Wallet application. If you don't have it, you can install it from App Store or Google Play. I will update it for an example. If you haven't got one, this is the wallet that helps you safely store your cryptocurrency. When using Trust Wallet for the first time, the application will create a seed phrase for you to control the wallet. Keep that seed phrase in a safe place. Then we find our BNB token in the Trust Wallet and copy the address. And return to the Binance application to withdraw funds directly to our wallet. We paste copied address, make sure that the network is BNB, press max, click withdraw funds, and confirm the withdrawal. The BNB network works very quickly, so in a few seconds we can check the account in the Trust Wallet and wait for the funds to arrive. The next step is to withdraw our BNB to a bank card. For this we go to swapforyou.com website. The link will be under the video in the pins of comments. This is the offshore exchange service that cooperates with large variety of banks and therefore currencies. Gives us the opportunity to withdraw funds direct to bank account, bypassing exchange fees on P2P market. The main advantage of this service is security. The website is a guarantor of the exchange transactions. Press connect and then we need to select our wallet. In this case I use Trust, and then connect the wallet. If this is your first time using this service, the site will ask you to synchronize. After connection, we return to the website. Wait a little bit, and then we need to go back to the wallet again to confirm the synchronization. After this step, we get to the Options menu, where we immediately see the possibility of transferring our funds to a bank account. In this menu, we need to choose payment method across many other. In my case, it's Bank of America. Enter the name and account number. Bank branch is not obligatory. On the next step, we need to select BNB as crypto asset. But here it's already selected by default as the main asset in our wallet. Press max and select the currency. It's given USD by default because of the payment method. Agree to the exchange rate and confirm the purity of our BNB. It's been 12 minutes since I submitted the withdrawal request, you can see by the time at the top left. The last step is to check our bank account, where we can see the incoming transfer. That's all dear friends, CryptoCap being with you. Please subscribe to my channel, we talk about crypto there.